Want to keep your food fresh and energy use efficient? Let's quickly adjust the temperature settings on your Teka NFE 320 refrigerator. Step 1. Locate the temperature control panel. Open the fridge and look for the digital control panel, usually at the top front. Step 2. Understand the display. You'll see 2 temperature zones, one for the refrigerator and one for the freezer. Each has its own display. Step 3. Adjust the fridge temperature. Press the fridge button repeatedly to cycle through temperatures. The ideal setting is usually 4 degrees Celsius for the fridge. Step 4. Adjust the freezer temperature. Press the freezer button to set it between -18 degrees Celsius and -20 degrees Celsius, depending on how frozen you want your items. Tip: don't overload the fridge and give it a few hours after changing the temperature to stabilize. That's it. You've optimized your Teka fridge. Like and subscribe for more quick appliance tips.